Hi, good evening everyone. Today we are going to make specially our homemade Buraska juice. So, Chef Tarun will start the making. So, we will go with the procedure. So, we are ready to make it. I can show you. So, this is the juice. This is the flour. This is Buras flower. It's basically grows in our forest of Uttarakhand. So we are going to make homemade Buras ka juice. So Chef Tarun will show you how to make it, and they are doing it very smartly, removing the internal part like the white part of that, same like a sticks. So they will show you how to make it and how to remove internal part, how to make it easily. So as you can see, we have totally removed it. So now it is ready to make. Now we'll go. So now we are going to wash it. We have to fill it by water and move your hands on that slowly, so can the dust remove easily. Dust can rinse very easily. So you can see how we are washing it. We have to wash it slowly, stir it. Now we have 2 times wash it, and you can wash it same like the spinach, any vegetable. Easily can dust remove in 2-3 times. We have to wash it almost 2-3 times. So now it is clean, and we will see how to. Okay, now we are ready to boil it. So now we will on gas flame, and we have put saucepan. Now we will add it on the saucepan. We will just blanch it first, and it will be blanched by the steaming of on self. Now we have to cover it. Now we have to cover it. We have rest it for the 2-3 minutes. Between 2-3 minutes, it will be blanched by on-self steam. Now it has been over 2-3 minutes, so we will check it. So as you can see, it has been steamed boil. After 10 minutes of rest, we will go for the grinding. So we are going to grind it. We have to grind it with ice. So now the mixture is ready. Now we will pour it on the saucepan. We will go for the next step. So add it on saucepan, pour it on saucepan. Now stir it very well. So you can see how it is looking like. It is pure homemade Buraska juice. This basically grows in the forest of Uttarakhand. Basically this is the homemade pure natural juice. So we will not add more items. We will just add some items for the preservations of this. So ginger and the sugar will work same like the preservatives. So we are adding some ginger on it. Ginger and actually ginger increase the life of it. Ginger works same like a preservative. So now we are adding sugar. So I have took 150 grams of the sugar. So you can add as per taste, but I am adding a little more sugar because sugar also working same like the preservative. So it increase the life of it. So after adding ginger and sugar, stir it slowly. So now after adding sugar and ginger, we will leave it. We will rest it for the half hour, and finally we will add some more water. at least you have to add maximum 2 liters of water as per the quantity. Is depend on the quantity how much you are using and how many flowers you are using. The quantity of flowers depend on the quantity of flower. So as per our flower quantity we have took 2 liters water, and we will leave it for the half hour. After half hour we will just stain it, and after that cool it, and we can store it in the dry store at it freezer. As per your storage capacity you can store it wherever. So now finally we will rest it and we will close it by the lid. So we will rest it for the half hour. After half hour we will stain it. It's almost ready. So now we will add some water on it because it is naturally we have made. As you can see the color is very light because we did not use any food colors or anything. We have made it naturally, so you can try it at your home. So thank you everyone. We will meet in the next video.